Take 10 years off your age using these 8 hacks to age less. The ultraviolet light that the sun gives off is what causes sunburn and damages your skin. Wearing sunblock daily is crucial to keeping youthful skin. Dark spots come from overexposure to the sun as well, but factors like stress, pregnancy, vitamin deficiencies, and weak liver functioning may also contribute to this problem. To eliminate dark spots, increase your intake of vitamin C to reduce the amount of melanin your skin produces, and apply vitamin E directly to the dark spot before bed every night, which will help even your skin tone. Hydration. Hyaluronic acid is an important component of the skin matrix. As a highly effective humectant, hyaluronic acid has an incredible ability to hold moisture and keep your skin hydrated and looking smooth. Thinning hair. Barley is rich in the micronutrients thiamine and niacin that help in hair growth. It also contains polycyanidin B3, which is isolated from barley and identified as a hair growth stimulant. Shiny, healthy hair. Biotin, an essential water-soluble B vitamin, protects against breakage, promotes healthy hair growth, and increases hair elasticity. It also helps your body to process and absorb other vitamins and nutrients more efficiently. Coconut oil penetrates hair in ways that other oils are not able to, which is why some people notice amazing results relatively quickly when using coconut oil treatments for their hair. Your elbow and knee skin is likely to look dull and rough as you age, thanks to the thick buildup of dead skin on its surface. Glycolic acid will loosen up the glue-like protein that holds these cells together so they can be shed. Constant friction or pressure on your joints, leaning on your elbows or knees, causes low-grade inflammation that triggers hyperpigmentation. Using a hydrocortisone ointment can lighten these areas, giving your elbows and knees a more youthful appearance.